गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज हम क्लास 10 के सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स NCERT सब्जेक्ट के चैप्टर नंबर 1 रियल नंबर्स स्टार्ट करेंगे। एक्सरसाइज 1.1। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्सप्रेस ईच नंबर एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ 140। तो हमें इसे फैक्टराइज करना और इसका प्राइम फैक्टर निकालना है। तो हम इसे कैसे निकालेंगे? 140 को हम फैक्टराइज करेंगे। देन इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाई 7, 2 7 the 14, that is 70. Then again we start 2 2 3 the 6, 2 5 the 10. Then we will take 5 5 7 the 35, then 7 1 the 7. So we can write it 140 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 1. This is our prime factor of 140 number. Now we come to the second question, that is 156. Then we again factorize it. 156 2 7 the 14, 2 8 the 16, then again 2 3 the 6, 2 9 the 18, then again 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9, and 3 is a prime number. It will not never factorize other than 1. Then we can write 13 1 the 13. So we can write it 156 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 1. So this is our prime factor. Now we come to the question number 3. That is, the number is 3825. Then we again start factorizing it. 3825. Then from which number we can start? Then we will take 3 as a prime number. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 7 the 21, 3 5 the 15. Then again we will take 3 4 the 12, 3 2 the 6, 3 5 the 15. Then again we will take 5 5 8 the 40, 5 5 the 25. Then again we will take 5 5 on the 5, 5 7 the 35. Then we can write is 3825 equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. Here we can write it 17 1 the 17. Then we can write 1. So in this way we can factorize all the numbers in question number 1. Then again we have another number, that is question number 4. Question number 4. Then we can, the number is 5005. Then how can we factorize it? We will take 5005 and then start factorizing. First we take 5. 5 on the 5, 0, 0, 5 on the 5. Then again we can take 7. 7 1 the 7, 7 4 the 28, and then 7 3 the 21. Then again we will take 13. 13 1 the 13, 31 the 13. Then we take 11 1 the 11. So we can write 5005 equal to 5 into 7 into 3 into 11 into 1. And now the last question is 7429. How we can factorize it? 7429. Then we start from 17 number, that is our prime number. First we take 17, 4, 3 and 7. Then again we start from 19, that is 23. 19 into 23 we get 437. And then finally 13 1 the 13. Then we can write it 7429 equal to 17 into 19 into 23 into 1. So in this way we can complete our exercise 1.1 of question number 1. So students, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.